Muller pipe me out for this one.
GG. Late night used to talk to the Reaper, wasn't doing no feature. I was earning my scrap like Adidas. They say that it's cheaper to keep her. Me spending my money on her, chasing slim like a needle. I'm in the hood sipping Waukesha, gun line like a speaker. You scared, better go see the preach. Show her I can't kick it like FIFA. I lace up my sneaker, then run to that bread like a cheetah. Please don't put me in your mention, that internet diss, and I can't see about you like a visit. Swerving the lane when I switch, no fast in the fear. Pull up different whip like a zip. Why did the hoe stay in my business? I know I ain't tripping. Ain't none of these bitches my bitches. You know how I'm living. Cooked on like a chimney. Let's get it. I stay with that heat like the kitchen. Ay, I do this shit for the trench. Ay, I throw that B up for Benny. I do this for the one flip like a penny. Now I can go shop with no limit. Ay, I drop my nuts when I come to the city. Boy, I ain't dodging shit but a sentence. Ay, she selling pussy, she sour like lemon. I can't even pay her attention. I used to post on the block with D-Lo and Dale, with Oxnard with L's and shells. Way back down, now around like 11 to 12. I knew I was going to jail. Me and J. Lou used to weigh dope on the same scale. Who got some bagging for sale? I was so ready to send me some shit like the mail. Send me a nigga to hell. Ay, ounce in my pocket, I walk in the bank. Tell her like, what did that smell? Ay, I told her, hey, just give me my cheddar, my cheese, Velveeta Rotel. Two different guns, they cook you together, rotisserie. They just like Kenny and Kale. They see me doing my shit, probably want me to fail. I'm on my grind like a rail. Late night, I was over with the demon. Wasn't doing no dreaming, like swiping, no swipe, I'm scheming. I'm dogging these hoes for a reason. They ain't be deceiving. I bust like a tick, then I'm leaving. I'm in the club clutching my heater. Gon' learn like the teacher. If nigga won't smoke like the team. Told her to slide through like a visa. Play me on your speaker, cause my shit be hot like a fever. Please don't put me in your mention, that internet diss, and I can't see about you like a visit. Swerving the lane when I switch, no fast in the fear. Pull up different whip like a zip. Why did the hoe stay in my business? I know I ain't tripping. Ain't none of these bitches my bitches. You know how I'm living. Cooked on like a chemist. Let's get it. I stay with that heat like the kitchen. Ay, TLG, that shit for trill. Ay, I'm heavy. Shaquille O'Neal. Ay, we follow the car. Ooh, it's a drill. He better get G's to the wheel. Ay, I got some scars on my back, it won't heal. Guess I used to keep it too real. Ay, how the fuck these niggas playing the field? Locked up making statements and deals. Late night used to talk to my seller. I say ain't no felon. One day I'ma ball like the cell. Soon as I get out, need a weapon. You know how I'm stepping. They say I be fly like R. Kelly. She wake up and eat dick for breakfast. She calling me selfish, cause I won't put dick in her pelvis. I feel like a king like I'm Melvin. We shoot out like Bella. You step on my forces like Nelly. Ay.